LG has showcased its G7 flagship smartphone at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, but it could be the cancelled version of the device. Israeli publication Ynet.co.il, by Evan Blass, published a video of the phone. It's labeled as the G7 with a large display, dual rear cameras, and an iPhone X-like notch above the display. VentureBeat's Evan Blass believes this might be the device that has been scrapped in favor of another phone codenamed Judy. Ynet reported that this particular cancelled model has a glass back and an iPhone X-like notch to house the front-facing camera. Asus recently launched the ZenFone 5Z as the first smartphone from the mainstream manufacturer to feature a notch just above the display, similar to Apple's most expensive iPhone X. The publication further said the scrapped version of the G7 features a 6-inch OLED display 3120x1440 with a 19:5:9 aspect ratio, dual 16MP rear cameras with f/1.6 and f/1.9 apertures, and include an 8MP front camera. It also features a Snapdragon 845 processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and a 3000 mAh battery inside. Evan Blass had previously reported that LG is once again working on a new smartphone, dubbed the Judy. The Judy smartphone is said to come in June, featuring a 6.1-inch MLCD and display, 18:9, a Snapdragon 845 processor, 4GB RAM, dual 16MP rear snappers, wireless charging, IP68 durability, and camera AI. It has been speculated that LG is considering to rename to its G series. According to LG's vice chairman and CEO Jo Sung-jin, the company will not launch new flagship smartphone just because other rivals do. The G7 was earlier rumored to launch at the MWC 2018 in Barcelona, but it was later revealed that the company had delayed the release of the G7. So what do you think? Comment your thoughts below and subscribe for more videos.